We have an assembly, roller assembly, which we want to customize in such a way that we can create its variant repeatedly. For this, we already have a design data for this roller assembly. Input should be roller length, diameter of roller, and input load. It could be 50 kgs, 80 kgs, or 100 kgs. As per the design calculations, the side channel length should vary as per the roller length. We have as per the load condition, C channel data should get updated. For 50 kgs, C channel is C9, 9 inches by 13.4, and as per its data, we have the height, breadth, and width of the channel defined. So here VLOOKUP is established. When I change this data as per my requirement, this data is going to change as per this table. Now using CAD Customization Plus+, we want to create one project, ruler project. In the engineer tab, we are going to assign the design data which we have already created. So Excel file is already there. I will select ruler assembly. This is the master assembly. Here I am putting location where I want output of my variant. Now again, master draft, I am picking this and providing location for the output location for the variant draft. Now with the help of CAD Customization Plus+, I am going to extract all the part variables of those parts which are used in assembly. So with simple single click, all the data from the assembly get extracted to design data XLS. Once this data is extracted, now using this input data, I can just create links between these input data and my part variable. So I've linked length of roller. Now I am linking diameter of roller with this data. Next, in input data we have weight, which can be picked from design calculation. Also this length of the side channel, I'll get this value from the design calculation, and design calculation has formulas placed here as like we have VLOOKUP. Again, this is the height of channel, so I am linking here. Width of channel, again. Then we have a TF. This should be linked with this data. TW should be linked with TW cell, and width B should be linked with the B data. Now my linking is okay. As per this data, new variant will be created. So 2100 is my new value, 750 and 80 kgs is my new value. I want to create a variant depending on these parameters. Now in operator, with single click, assembly get updated. So just by using our design data and design calculations, we are creating one new variant of our existing model. Now, as our assembly has changed, with the help of CAD customization, we can create its draft also with single click. all the draft of parts used in it gets created. And as per the design changes, bill of materials also get updated. Now we have entered 2100 roller length, diameter was 750. Here are the different sheets. Now as per our data, we have this channel size modified.